Vans Edition SE bikes. Gonna have it built in the shop, but you know, just gonna put it together real quick. I don't got grease or nothing, so let's see what's up. So this is the inside. This is how it comes. I guess it's already almost built. Box here. Pads, pedals, Vans off the wall. Caps or extra caps, lights. Because I think it has the dice. Style caps. Right there, yep. Alrighty, well, quick little, put together. I don't want to take too much off. I want to be taking it to the bike shop. SC engraving, everything off the wall. SC, I mean, they went crazy on it, dude. Dice, van tires, as you can see, the bottom of the shoe, off the wall. SC engraving inside the hubs. That's so fucking cool. The logo, if you know about that. SC off the walls. I put the pads on real quick to show you. SC everywhere. Pedals, put them on real quick. Seat, racing seat, old school style. All chrome polish. Chrome brakes, yellow cable, yellow van grips. Yes, you can see SC logo right there. Vans. How can I do this? Oh, there you go. Vans. So good details on that shit. They went ham on it, man. PK Ripper. Looptail. Mine is number 655. 655. Come on. Come on, do it what? There you go. So it's a little quick video. I'll get a better video once it's inside the bike shop. I know those guys gonna like it. Alright. That's for whoever wants to get the PK Ripper Vans, man. I like it. It's better than the black one. That's guaranteed. Alright. Shout out Red Bull. Alright guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, whatever, comment. Peace.